Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Dyer's Fix That 1920s House. So today, I had to fix a leak in the bottom of my sink. The garbage disposal was starting to drip water after I had to take the garbage disposal out and remove something that was stuck in the garbage disposal. So I figured I'd show you something that's a hack. It's not really a hack, but I thought of it because I was having trouble lifting the big thing up and holding it while I'm trying to tighten it down. So, if you're familiar with a garbage disposal, then you know it weighs about I don't know, 6-7 pounds or whatever, which isn't a whole lot, but it gets awkward. So, this is underneath my sink, as you see. There's like a leak up there. But there's this massive space, right? So how the heck are you going to hold it? Well, you can get a box. You can get like a few things to like shim it. But me, in my infinite dad-like wisdom, I went out to my car and I got this guy. Yes, a screw jack. And it worked wonderfully. All you have to do is just place it squarely underneath, just like, your car, right? Repairing a tire. So you just place it under there, underneath, you screw it up, it holds it, you can let it down easy, boom, bam, it's fixed. All right. So yeah, hope that little hack helps you. If you have other under sink hacks, please let me know. I'm going to show you another hack here, make a separate video for that, but there you go. How to remove a garbage disposal. Well, I don't know what to call it, but I don't know, shim it. How to shim a garbage disposal. We'll use that. All right. Thank you. Hope you have a good day. Take care.